Hello, my name is Nehal Ravindra Chaudhary and today date is 28 September 2021. Today topic is inheritance in Java. So what is inheritance? Inheritance, which is inherit the class from one class to another class. Then it's have a mechanism. It's create a one object which is have a acquire all property and behaviors of the parent class object by the parent class object. Then inheritance is used when you want to access the one or more class properties or their fields and methods. Then there are the number of fields and properties. We can access the same fields and property to the subclass. You can, if you want to change the fields and methods when you access the subclass, then you can do the change into this code when you calling the subclass. Then inheritance have a two main type. One is a subclass and second one is a superclass. What is subclass? Subclass is access the all properties and fields of the parent class. Subclass also called the child class, drive class, and then what is superclass? Superclass also called the parent class. Parent class, the subclass which is inherits the all features of the parent class, and then using the extend keywords. Extend keywords, which is create a new class using a old class drives. Then there are the three types of the class. One is a single inheritance, second one is a multi-level, and third one is a hierarchicals. So what is single inheritance? Into the single inheritance, only a one class and only a one parent class and only one subclass. It means that one subclass which is extend the parent class. For example, class A, block of the statement, then class B extends class A, and then main method we create the class of B, because class B is a subclass and then class A is a parent class. It means that all properties of the parent class is extend into the class A, into the subclass. Then second topic is multi-level. Multi-level have a number of child and one parent class, which is access the one parent class. Then second is a child class. Then another also a child class. For example, class A. Then number of methods and blocks, and then class B extend class A, then block of the code, then class C extend class B, and then main method, and create an object of the last subclass, and which is a C. Then we can access the all methods and fields using the variables. Then last one is a hierarchicals. Hierarchicals have a one parents and two childs. It means that there is a one parents have a two child class, and one parent property access to all child class. For example, class A, then class B extend class A, then another class C extend class A, and then the block of the code. And it means that there are the two types of the child and one parents. The child class access the one parent class properties and fields and methods and code. Then you can use as usual, and you can also rewrite this code. We can also override these methods because of the polymorphism achievement. Then there are also into the inheritance multi-level and hybrid. It's not supported because there are the multiple classes and multiple child class, and hybrid also same thing. There are the number of the classes and number of child class, and it's not extend by the child class. Then inheritance have a number of code we can we can also access the constructor into the inheritance. If we want to access the constructor of the parent class, then you use the super keyword into constructor when you call the subclass. So this is the today topic of inheritance of the Java. Thank you.